What's up, guys? It's your boy CJ here with Smart Grind Entrepreneurs. Today we're going to talk about Maxbounty training, super free traffic methods, promoting your CPA offer. Google search is your friend. Let's get it, y'all. Are you ready?
Right.
All right, guys, I'm excited to bring you this content today. I'm also excited because the channel, I've reached 100 subscribers, 100 plus subscribers so far, and that's big for me just starting out as a YouTube blogger. So I appreciate all y'all support, all y'all's help, all the comments y'all are leaving on my videos, joining the Facebook group. I really appreciate that. So I'm going to give y'all some more value. I know y'all been waiting for a video, so here it is, guys. Pay attention. Today, you're only going to need two tools, y'all, and one of you already have, and the other one I'm going to give you for absolutely free. All you got to do is click the link below. It'll take you to this Chrome extension you can use that you can start implementing this method right now, guys, right now. But before we get started, please like this video if you find this content valuable. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Subscribe and drop a comment if you have any questions or anything was a little confusing for you or you need a little bit more detail on anything. But I'm telling you, it's going to be simple, easy. It's going to be a blast. We're going to knock this out, and we're going to continue to grow and build as marketers. So without any further ado, we're going to talk about a Chrome extension I came across called email extractor. And what we're going to do is I'm going to show you how to find a targeted audience in your key niche or affiliate offer that you're trying to promote in real time, on how you can find targeted audience, and you can start sending them a large amount of newsletters on a weekly basis through email. And how we're going to do that is with a couple of different search sites. We can use Google, we can use Bing, we can use Yahoo. But right now I'm going to start off with example with Google. So we're going to type this in. I already have it pasted out. And all right, guys. So this is what I want you to type. And you can use this for any niche that you want to find key targeted audiences for your email list that you want to email blast. So we're going to write out post about at gmail.com car loans this month. So that's going to give you post about people that have used Gmail have talked about car loans and they're relevant for this month. And so as you see right here, we have a whole bunch of different ads and blogs and different stuffs about car loans, and it's relevant in this month. It's had 3 million plus searches, and the average duration is 50 seconds. So what we're going to do is with this Google Chrome extension right here, guys, all we're going to do is come and we're going to click email export. I'm sorry, it's an email exporter. And once you click this email exporter button, it is going to generate anybody that has came in contact with these pages right here and has left an email. Sometimes it'll be 8, sometimes it'll be 1, sometimes it can be 15, it doesn't matter. But it's going to leave you these emails right here, and all you're gonna do is come and we're gonna copy, and we're going to paste. Boom, there it is right there. Look at that. People that are looking for car loans, here are their emails right here in real time, right from Google. You know it's relevant, you know it's from this month. So this is beautiful. This is something that you can spend about an hour on, build you up about 1,000 emails, and then start blasting these guys with a newsletter or your CPA offer or any type of thing that you can give them, a free gift card, whatever, guys. The sky's the limit with this technique. It's simple, it's easy, and it's fast. And we're going to continue to go through the process. We'll go down to the bottom, go to the next page, and do it again. We're going to scrape these emails right here off of this page. And I would say go at least about, maybe to page 10 to 15 and scrape all the emails that you can from there. And we hit the email extractor. Boom. More emails right here, guys. More emails right here. key targeted. Now, sometimes you might get duplicate. So you need to put this in an Excel spreadsheet and eliminate the duplicates, because there are people that do visit multiple sites, so you will get duplicates. But there you go, more emails right there, and so on and so on. And you know, this is just a good way to build a large, massive email list fast if you don't have any way, or you can't pay for traffic to, you know, get an opt-in list and go through that process. This is a way where you can get free emails easy and fast. And like I told y'all, I'm going to give y'all a link to this Chrome extension in the description below, to where you can unlock it, go ahead and download it and implement this right away. And I'm going to show you what I would do with these emails that I've gained and I've obtained from this method. Now, you can do it one or two ways. You can find your own SIM blasting software, or you can use the GMAS system that I showed y'all about. I need to correct my statement. GMAS for $6 a month. They'll let you send up to 500 emails per account. And I mean, if you have 10 email accounts and you have 500 emails, it's a large amount of emails that you can send out all at once, guys, and you blast them. Or you can become a part of me and my boy Abraham's Builderall Mastery team, and we will give you the software that we use for free and teach you how to use it, so you can become a tier 1 affiliate and begin to make money. And I'm just going to show you real quick the software tool I use. This one right here, it's amazing, it's beautiful. This one, you can add as many Gmail accounts as you want, and they each get a limit of 500 apiece. So I have 3 linked up to this account right now. As you see, it has per day limit, 500 per hour, 500 per hour. So I can send 500 per hour, I can send 100 per hour, whatever. The approximate mail that I can send right now is 1,488 emails. So I've sent 4 apiece right here. So I mean, you can see how powerful this is right here. And if you come right here, I'm not going to send out an email right now, just for the simple fact that I did do one earlier. I have a list already put together that I sent to earlier. But if you look at my mailing history, you can see where I've sent out a large mass amount of emails. I'm going to talk a little bit about Builderall, because Builderall is a new up-and-coming platform. It's like ClickFunnels, but it's better because it's cheaper, it's easier to use for those people that don't know how to make landing pages. They have landing pages that are already done for you. They have done for you funnels. You can make a webinar in minutes, make a website in minutes. You get all of this for about 49 bucks a month. Or you can use their software platform for about 25 bucks a month. But in order to receive affiliate commissions, you have to upgrade to the $49 a month. But we're going to do more tutorials on that later, and I'll show y'all how I use some landing pages and their funnels in Builderall to receive some large commissions. But like I said, this is some software, and one of the many softwares that we're going to offer to our team that joins our Facebook group and becomes a part of our Builderall Mastery class when we get ready to start launching that in a couple of weeks. But I'm going to show you also, just so you can see some results and see that it's real. You can see right here, I am, you know, I'll tell you what I'm promoting. It's a Best Buy deal. You know, it's a Best Buy gift card. Got 216 clicks, y'all. Emails, Sims, and direct link, 212. As you see right here on Tuesday, on May 15th, I had 102 clicks. We had 41 clicks right here, and today on the 30th alone, I've already gotten 30 clicks. So, I mean, that's a good look, y'all. You can see how powerful these methods are and how quick and targeted these leads are to, you know, potentially gain you some massive commissions. And, I mean, I just hope that y'all found that this content was very informative for y'all and this helped y'all out. You already know who this is. It's your boy CJ with Smart Grind Entrepreneurs. So be sure to like this video if you found this content valuable. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already subscribed. Drop a comment below if you got any questions or need any help trying to obtain the email extractor. And this was Maxbounty Training, super free traffic methods, promoting your CPA offer. Google search is your friend. It's your boy CJ, and I'm out. Are you ready? Bye.